How to fix screen misses on iPhone. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of a device. Inside settings, scroll down and head over to messages. You will be landing on this page. So right here what you want to do is to make sure that the option iMessage is toggled on. Well, if it is toggled off, then basically it is the problem for you. Lots of people have toggled this option off. That's why you keep getting the green message or sending the green message. So you have to enable this iMessage. Not only this, once it has been turned on, you have to make sure that you have the suitable connection while sending the message or receiving the message too. Not only you, but also the sender should also enable the iMessage. And they should also have the stable internet connection in order to send the message to you. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix screen messages on iPhone. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.